Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to check how to claim your AltLayer tokens. If you have been a Celestia staker, then you are eligible for claiming, and this is very time sensitive. You need to do it now because you have a small gap in order to get your tokens. So like always in my videos, we are going to cover a little bit about AltLayer, but very quickly just go directly to the claim and how this airdrop is, how you can claim your airdrop, and all the specific details of this airdrop so you don't miss those airdrops. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, AltLayer has been launching the airdrop from a couple of days already, and now you, as staker of Celestia, you can claim the airdrop. This token has been in the market already since January 25. Right now the price is at 32 cents and is positioned at rank 146. This is a very important project that just been launched. It's a decentralized protocol that facilitates the launch of native and risk-taked rollups with both optimistic and Zksync rollup stacks. You can check everything in altlayer.io. This is the official website of the project. But we are doing this video because the AltLayer airdrop was already launched to claim, but not for Celestia stakers. That just happened yesterday, so we are going to cover that now. This is from the official Twitter account, and this is the season 1. So let me give you some details about this airdrop that are very important. So the one alt airdrop campaign, we had a market 3% of the total token supply for distribution among the AltLayer, Zksync and Celestia communities. A significant portion, around 10% of these tokens, was specifically reserved for the Celestia community. And in terms of the airdrop details, any community member who has staked in TIA tokens natively or with the LST provider Milky Way before the snapshot time is eligible for the airdrop. Those who have at least staked 35 stake TIA at the point of the snapshot are eligible for the alt airdrop. So this is a very important point about this airdrop, and in general, if you are staking TIA, I recommend you to go below 35. This was for the alt airdrop, but I recommend you to go at least with $200-250 US value on TIA. And in my YouTube channel we have been covering many strategies with Celestia, Injective, Cosmos and all the Cosmos ecosystem to get passive airdrops. And this is one of those claims. Shout out to my Discord and my community there. This is my private Discord and you can see all these threads are about airdrops that we are claiming. Right now we are almost claiming like 30 airdrops. So if you are not in my Discord, you are missing maybe many airdrops that you are eligible. And like this video to alert you about claiming AltLayer, I cannot do this kind of videos all the time on YouTube. So that is why you need to go and get my subscriptions, go into my Discord, and if you are really into airdrops, you will need to check this application airdrop that I created. Here is a video on how my app works, but basically it's going to help you to apply and register to all the airdrops that I cover. And you can add also airdrops from another sources into my app and have everything organized there. So check my subscriptions on my Discord and my application. If you really want to gain airdrops during 2024, it's airdrop season, so you need to pay attention to this. So again, here you can see the table for the stakers. You need a minimum of 35 staked TIA, and between that number and 200, this is the number of qualified addresses. So you can see in this table if you are qualifying or not, but it's important to notice that the snapshot was January 17 and that we have a claim duration for the Celestia stakers airdrop. So the airdrop claim will be a two-step process. In the first phase, the registration phase, eligible Celestia addresses will need to register their Ethereum address that will receive the alt tokens. Registrations will be open for 2 weeks as shown in the table below, starting from February 2 until February 16. So that is why I am covering this right now, so you can do that. The second phase will start on February 20 and will be open until March 5. That is the claim phase itself where you are going to get those tokens. But any unclaimed alt tokens from either the registration phase or claim phase will be returned to the AltLayer treasury. So it's very important that you go and do the next steps in order to get the registration phase, and then after February 20 you can claim the tokens. So here is the registration and claim portal. You go to airdrop.altlayer.io. Be careful, only use official links. Once you are there, you need to go down here and agree the terms of the airdrop. And here what you need to do is, if you have airdrop for Ethereum, you can put your address here and check if you are eligible. And if you are here for the Celestia, you need to put here the click on Celestia and put your Celestia address here to check if you are eligible. So once you check that you are eligible, you can see that in my case I already linked my ABM wallet into the Celestia airdrop of AltLayer. But the first time that you come here, you are going to need to connect your MetaMask or ABM wallet that you are using it in order to get your Celestia linked to your MetaMask wallet. So now you can see here that says that Celestia stakers claim is going to be live in 16 days on Ethereum. If you want, you can change your linked Ethereum address for another address, but in my case I successfully linked my addresses. So after you see the same here with your address, you are going to be ready for the phase 2, which is from February 20. But don't forget to do this step of the registration. It's very important if you don't want to miss this airdrop. That will be all for this video. Very quickly, directly to the point, claim your AltLayer tokens for Celestia stakers. And if you want more information, remember my subscriptions. You are missing airdrops right now. Go subscribe to my Discord, be part of my community, add in the subscription my application, and you are going to be in the top % of airdrop hunters in my community. We are making thousands and thousands of dollars from the last 3 months with more than 20 claim airdrops already, and if you are using multiple wallets, you are making a ton of money. That will be all, and before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Follow me on Twitter at CryptoCState, where I cover instant stuff about airdrops and very important information about airdrops. CryptoCState in my Twitter account. Follow me there so you have live action about airdrops. That will be all, and I see you in the next video. Bye.